Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are now starting Hasbar number 4-6. And again, we are learning Masechta Kedushin, Perek Sheni, the second Perek, called Ha'ish Mekadesh, and we are learning Daf Mem Chet Amud Bet. Okay, so Rav is going to give us an alternative reading of the Mishnah. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. Ella, rather, Amar Rava says, Ani, I, Va'ari, Shabachura, and the lion from my learning group, Targimna, can explain what the Mishnah means. So the Gemara says, just a second. Umanu, who's the Ari? Who's this lion? Who's this special person? Does he have a name? And the answer is Rabbi Chia bar Avin. It's Rabbi Chia bar Avin. He was part of my learning group, and he helped explain what the Mishnah is talking about. Hacha, over here, but my askinan. What is the Mishnah dealing with? Kigon, for example, what's the case? Sha'am rahi lishlucha. This is the case where the woman says to her agent, Tsei v'kaba li kudushe miplone. I want you to say, go and accept kabel for me, the kedushin from the man. Sha'amar li, who said to me, Hikachili, Bediner shel kesef. I want you to be Mekadesh to me through this silver coin. So now what does the agent do? Vaholech v'nosan lo dina shel zahav. Meanwhile, the groom went and gave the agent a dinar made out of gold, right? So the agent was expecting to receive from the prospective groom a coin of silver, as the wife had, as the woman, the prospective bride, was expecting a silver coin. That's what she was told. And in the end, what did the groom give her? He gave her a gold coin, but he didn't give it to her directly. He gave it to her agent. So that's the case, right? That's the case. So let's just review the case. The woman takes an agent and says to the agent, listen, a man has sent word to me that he wants to be Mekadesh, he wants me to be Mekadesh to him. And so he said, ma'am, please be Mekadesh li to me with this silver coin. And she wants to accept. So she gets the shliach. And she says to the shliach, okay, I want you to go and accept this proposal from the man. And so the shliach goes to the man. And the man then says, great, she will be Mekadesh to me, but with this gold coin, right? So that's different than what she was told originally. She was told a silver coin. Now, remember, we have the two opinions in our Mishnah, the Tanna Kama and Rabbi Shimon. The Tanna Kama said she's not Mekudesh. And Rabbi Shimon said, if it's to her benefit, then she will be Mekadesh. So let's read. Mar Savar, one Tana of our Mishnah, meaning the Tanna Kama, Savar, holds, learns, Kapeda. The concept of kapeda, that everything has to be exactly the way it was set out to be by the letter of the law. And in this case, it's not exactly how it was supposed to be. She was supposed to get a silver coin, and instead, got a gold coin. So kapeda, if it's not exactly the way it's supposed to be, kedushin's off. Doesn't work. We've got to be very clear about this process. It can't be any misunderstandings. Uma savar, and the rabbi who holds, and that's Rabbi Shimon, who says that she is Mekudesh, Mara Mokum Hi. Right? It's about how things get done. She told the agent, you're going to accept this silver coin. It doesn't have to be specifically a silver coin. It could be a gold coin. The idea that a coin, some sort of money should be given over. So Mara Mokum means, what are convenient guidelines? What are the general rules? But it doesn't have to be specific. So in this case, good, it's a gold coin. And therefore, according to Rabbi Shimon, who holds Makom Mara Makom, she's mukudeshet. And what about the word nimtza, right? It was discovered, if we're dealing with an agent. Uma nimtza. How is it that something was discovered that wasn't expected? Dikat sayed bilelita. The Mishnah is referring to a case where the coin was wrapped up in a cloth and the agent was not aware that he was receiving a different type of coin that she had requested. And therefore, Nimtza, they found out afterwards that instead of a silver coin, it was a gold coin. Didn't he know when he received it from the Baal, from the man, from the prospective groom? And the answer is, because he had it wrapped up in a cloth and he didn't know if it was silver or gold until he came back to the lady. Okay, so please summarize the Hasbar in your words. And again, if it's not clear, please go over the Hasbar again and listen to it again.